You can make your own sort of gel band-aids, so to speak, and keep them in the fridge. And it's really great if you have kids. And I've got 4 grandchildren, and it's a wonderful remedy to have available for if they get stung. I've even used it when these nasty little blighters on the aloe, we've got some big aloes in our garden, and these thorns on some of the aloes can really give you a nasty sting, and it burns for ages. So you almost doctrine of signature wise can use aloe to treat aloe from that in that sense. But back to the charcoal. So you get either your aloe or psyllium. You know, the psyllium seed that makes a mucilaginous gel. In Ayurvedic medicine, it's called flea seed, because it's tiny little things that look like fleas. And you can use, let's go with the psyllium for starters, say you don't have aloe, and put the aloe in afterwards. So you take a teaspoon of the psyllium seed powder and about 3 teaspoons of activated charcoal powder.
So you need to make a powder first, or you can buy the powder?
Buy the powder.
Right.
It's, you know, you can get charcoal everywhere.
I'm talking psyllium.
The psyllium. Oh no, you have to get the psyllium powder. It's much easier than grinding those flyaway seeds. Okay. That's crazy. And mix them 1:3. And then you can add a little bit of a hydrosol, which you are interested in, I know. Say geranium hydrosol or ordinary water, purified water.
Sorry, go one step back. You said 1:3?
1 part psyllium powder, 3 parts charcoal powder. And then enough to make a little gluey paste, because that psyllium turns into a gloop. You've probably experienced it when you put water in it. It's really quite gluey. And then put a piece of plastic down, like cling film or something thicker. Put your gloop in the middle. Once you've mixed it well in a little bowl, you can also add some aloe gel to it at that point. Depends how long you want to keep it in your fridge, because aloe gel isn't as stable as psyllium is. But if you're going to use it within a few weeks, then you can add some aloe gel as well. Then put another piece of cling film over it and roll it out and roll it thin. And just keep those, cut them into little squares or strips, and you can pop them into a jar and keep them in your fridge. Then if you do get a sting or a scrape, you just take it, pull the bottom piece off, put it on.
Like a plaster.
Like a plaster, pull the top piece off, and there you have an instant little compress cum poultice.
Right.
And then put a bandage over that, and that's so soothing.
This is so inspiring.
It's lovely.
I'm useless in the kitchen, but I think I can manage that.
It's an easy thing that people can do, and it's inexpensive, and they can have it ready in their fridges.
And it's natural.
And it's 100% natural.
Thank you so much, Sandi. This again was very valuable.
My pleasure.